Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down.
Do you want to learn how to make your Bantu knots look like this? Let me show you. You want to start off by sectioning your hair and making sure that every section is thoroughly brushed. You'll want to grab your leave-in conditioner so it can help your Bantu knots have that nice shape. Now take that section, twist it, wrap it around itself, and make sure that you really get those ends. That's what's going to help you get that nice shape. 3 easy steps: twist, wrap, secure, and don't forget to sleep with your bonnet on to preserve your hair. The next day your hair should look like this. Grab your favorite oil and apply it to your fingertips to minimize frizz as you take down your hair. Separate your hair, but don't overdo it because you don't want to lose that pattern. And for the last step, you'll want to grab an afro pick or use your hands to fluff out your hair and give it as much volume as you want. Et voila, that's how you get beautiful, soft, and fluffy Bantu knots. Follow me for more natural hair content.
Close your eyes for a second, I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around. What is getting deep now? What is getting